And here's the gold. Hello friends, I had to make my way through a dense forest to get to this place. I've never been here before, but it's okay. It's always interesting to start searching in a new place. Oh ho ho. I can see another field in the distance, so if I don't have any luck here, I'll go to the next place. This is a Golden Hobby channel, so you can probably guess what we are going to look for now. I'm in the woods on a high hill right now, and I just had a pretty good signal. And it's a button. Yes, it's a Soviet army button with a star. A piece of old pottery. There probably was a foundation, but here, see, I found an amazing discovery. This license plate. Oh, Belarusian registration. I decided to cross the forest to the other field. Since there weren't many finds here, I had to walk around a ravine, so the path was winding. There is a lot of windfall. I have to adjust my direction. It looks like that way. A strange observation. The more remote the place, the more often you can find traces of other treasure hunters there. Paradoxical but true. That part of the field has been mowed, and this has been plowed. And here is the first really good signal for today. Look, it seems like a coin. Huh. Oh no, some kind of copper ring. Well, that's not a problem. Everyone knows that most finds are junk, but if you keep looking, you're bound to find something very interesting. Well, what did I say? 5 minutes have passed, and there is an excellent signal. Tractors drove here, carrying fertilizer. Yeah, it's right there on the surface. Oh, it's an imperial copper coin. It's green. Yeah, it's 1 kopeck of 1898 or something else. Great. Bricks and ceramics were found. It seems to be the right place. The nearest village is at 2 kilometers away. A good high-tone signal. I hope this time it will be something really good. Oh, it's a coin, my friends. Haha, so tiny green coin. Ho ho! It's a half a kopic, the smallest USSR coin. Wow, really great find. At first, I thought it was a bottle cap, but it's something else. And the next good signal in this clump of soil. Oh, it's not a coin, but it's it can be something interesting. I decided to walk through this forest again before dark to the next place for which I have high hopes. Oh, what a bad road is there. The ants haven't woken up yet. It's cold. Now I'll quickly drink some tea to warm up and perk myself up, and then I'll continue. I'm going over there to that plowed field by the road. There used to be houses there. I hope this place has not been touched by treasure hunters, because it is near the highway. Alright, I'm on a place. Trucks are rushing by 50 meters away from me. But here, the signal was very good just a moment ago. Yeah, and this is a coin. Huh, I consider it's mercury or nickel. Yes, it is 15 kopics of USSR. A good high tone, friends. So let me take it out. Wow! Ha! It's a coin! Oh my gosh, it's silver! Whoa! It's silver 20. Finally. Well, finally it let me go. A great find. Silver 20. 1924. A good condition. Excellent. It's already completely dark. There was a very strong high tone signal. And I was about to start digging, but I shone my flashlight. I saw the coin with my own eyes right on the surface. Oh, but I can't recognize what it is. Oh, oh, now I see. Yeah, now I see an eagle. That's it. It looks like a pre-war German painting. I don't find them very often. So, this is a nice find. And here's the gold. Well, almost. All coins have different signals, so we have to dig up practically everything. 1932. Look, this is something interesting. At first I thought it was trash, but now I see that it's not. A piece of glassware. Yeah, some glassware in a silver braid. Look at this, my friends. Look at this. Oh, wow. The signal was pretty weak, but I dug it out and look at this. I think it's 5 kopecks. 5 silver. I mean, imperial kopecks. The coin is so shiny that I can't make out the year. But it's awesome. You can see my happy face, but that's exactly what it looks like. By the way, you do know the channel is called Golden Hobby, right? If you enjoy this kind of videos, support the creator. Likes, comments, shares, Patreon, YouTube memberships, super thanks, whatever you prefer. Huge thanks to all channel supporters. Your help really motivates me to keep making quality content. I searched a little more and found half a kopek of the empire. This signal wasn't very good, but look what is here. A skull and crossbones. It looks like a shard of a large cross. I love finds like this. I hope one day I'll be able to find a whole cross like this. Well, let's continue the search.